Alright, so today's video is a little bit emotional. I have got a big announcement to make about the future of the Metro. Unfortunately, it's not going to be going any further. The car is being stripped for parts and it will be going to the scrapyard. It is just too rotten to repair. You end up repairing one thing and you find loads more holes, especially where the subframe mounts of the car. So that is a no-go. Cost thousands of pounds to repair. I have asked for quotes already. So the car's being stripped. It's not all sad because there is a new car coming already. It is on its way. It should be here about 3:30. But you'll see that as well, and there's plenty to do on that. I want to do a few mods. But yeah, unfortunately, it's the end of this car. It's a real shame. Obviously, all the parts are going to go to a good home. I'm going to use the bonnet on the Metro for the screamer pipe, so that's another thing that's quite nice. But I'll just show you around what I've done so far. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. Alright, so as you can see, I've already stripped the front bumper. The wings are gone. Interior again is stripped out. No carpet. The interior though, the wings all that are in the boot. So this is how far I got with the rear arch. I was about to put it all back together, but what I found is behind this is where the subframe mounts. It is absolutely rotten, so it's not any good to repair, and my welds aren't good. So I just don't feel safe driving this car on the road anymore. So that's a shame, but it's got to go. This is what really writ it off for me. That's the subframe. That's the subframe. This is where it mounts, just here. You can see just how rotten that is. There's a big hole there. All the way back here is rotten as well. So yeah, it is unfortunate, but all good things come to an end, and this is going to be used for loads of other bits and bobs, so it's not all sad. Parts are going to keep other Metros on the road. But yeah, it's just a bit emotional day today. But like I say, there is another car coming, so it's not the end of the world. It's a very similar colour to this as well, actually. I mean, I can only apologise to you guys. I feel like I've let you down a little bit because I did say I was going to repair this. But unfortunately, it just isn't worthwhile to repair. So yeah, we do feel a bit sad, but I will play through a little slideshow of all the times that we've had it out at car shows and stuff like that, and its memory will live on, of course. But time for something else, so keep your eyes peeled on the channel for the next car. It is coming very, very soon, and I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video today, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.